Imagine your yard feeling like a resort. Quieter, sharper, dialed in, that is exactly where this video lands. This is GEARHOUND, I am Marcus. I dig through hundreds of gadgets every week, and only the ones that actually earn their spot make it here. Today's lineup, 18 finds that will. Upgrade your backyard from basic to premium without burning your wallet on a landscaper. Links in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe, let us get into it. Ever look at your yard at night and realize it just disappears? Like the whole thing melts into black the second the sun drops? Yeah, that's the moment premium yards separate from rental yards. Real talk, out of every solar ground light I scanned this season, this 8-pack from Peasur made the cut. Meet the Peasur solar ground lights. IP68 fully waterproof, 304 stainless steel body, ultrasonic welded seams that don't crack in frost. Push them into the soil. Let the sun do the wiring. Done. Zero cables, zero fuss. Cheap plastic solars rust in one season. These don't. That is the whole difference. That patch of grass between your patio and the shed, always muddy, always awkward, always the reason you are tracking dirt into the house. Yeah, universal problem. This one earned its spot the honest way. Meet the Mars Villa wooden garden pathway. Weather-treated wood slats, anti-slip surface. Rolls up when you are done, rolls out when you need it. Grab the roll, unfurl it, walk. 10 seconds, you just built a patio path. No concrete, no contractor, no permit calls. This is the poured a Sunday afternoon into a landscaper look for the price of a lunch tab. Ever notice how the yards that feel like actual vacations always have one thing? Water. Something moving, something birds land on, something that turns a lawn into a scene. Most gadgets in this space are noise. This one is not. Meet the VIVOHOME bird bath and solar fountain combo. Antique polyresin body. Solar-powered fountain pump. Zero cables. Bird bath basin on top, moving water below. Set it on the lawn. Face the panel south. Water starts moving on its own. This is the difference between just a lawn and a garden. One water feature, the whole vibe shifts. That garden bed you keep meaning to make look like something, the one that goes invisible the second the sun drops? Yeah, we've all got one. This one caught my eye scrolling through this niche last week. Meet the BERNGI Solar Flower Lights 2-pack solar charging by day. Flower-shaped LED heads that glow at dusk. Waterproof for real weather. Stake them in the soil. Point the top at the sky. That flower bed just became a fairy garden without a single wire. Costs less than a takeout dinner. Lasts longer than the plants around it. Walking up to your front door at night and squinting at the ground because you cannot see a thing? Or worse, stepping on the flower bed by accident. Been there. This one has been sitting on my short list for a while. Finally worth showing. Meet the ELECLINK solar pathway lights. Dual lens system. 60 lumens per unit, actually bright, not decorative bright. 2 light modes, fully weatherproof. Push them into the ground, wait one sunny day. That walkway just got safer and sharper at the same time. This is the custom installed lighting look without hiring an electrician. Okay, halfway through. The one coming up is honestly the standout of the whole lineup, pay attention. Small patio, big problem. You want a table for dinner outside, but you also want a bench to sit and read. Space says pick one. This one made the cut. Real talk, this is the standout of the whole lineup. Meet the Best Choice Products 2-in-1 transforming picnic table and garden bench. Solid wood, umbrella hole built in. 2 configurations. Flip it, lock it, done. Grab the top, fold it flat. What was a table 3 seconds ago is now a bench with a backrest. This is peak one thing does 2 jobs gear. Small yards, you just doubled your usable furniture without doubling your budget. You finally get the perfect summer evening, food is out, drinks are cold, and 47 mosquitoes show up like they got an invite. Yeah, that is the moment your yard stops feeling premium. This one has been on my radar since May. Meet the Large Solar Bug Zapper. Solar charged with backup USB. 4,000 square feet coverage. Rechargeable battery, no wall plug required. Hang it, point the panel at the sun. Watch the bugs make bad decisions. This is what stands between you and being driven back inside by 8:30. Silent, wireless, brutal to bugs. You have got a shady corner in the yard, maybe under a tree, maybe against the fence, that keeps feeling like wasted space. Every yard has one. This one earned its spot the quiet way. Meet the Best Choice Products outdoor steel garden bench. Powder-coated steel frame, decorative floral scrollwork. On the backrest. Seats 3 comfortably. Slide it into that dead corner. Set it against the fence. That is not wasted space anymore. That is a reading spot. Cheap furniture rusts through in one winter. Powder-coated steel doesn't. That is the whole play. The hose. That tangled, half-kinked, always in the wrong place hose that ruins the way the whole yard looks. You know exactly which pile I mean. This one is a shortcut to the yard looks intentional. Meet the Metal Garden Hose Reel Box. Holds 150 feet. Aluminum leak-proof. Fittings. Manual crank handle. No batteries. No motor to brake. Feed the hose in. Turn the crank. Watch chaos become a clean metal box. Yards go from storage mode to landscaped the second you hide the hose. Costs less than 3 restaurant dinners. Fixes the ugliest thing in the yard. Standing outside with a hose for 40 minutes because half the lawn does not get water while the other half becomes a swamp. Fun. This one keeps climbing back to the top of the list. Meet the Eden 94110 heavy-duty metal oscillating sprinkler, 18 precision nozzles. Adjustable spray range, turbo-driven motor, all-metal body. Connect the hose, set the range, walk away and let it do the job. Plastic sprinklers crack in one hot summer. Metal doesn't. This is why the pros keep it in the toolkit. Quick question, drop it in the comments. Would you rather drop $2,000 on a full landscaper or piece your yard together yourself with finds like this? Tell me which camp you are in. I am reading every reply. Almost done? Save your strongest wow for the last one. Tech meeting nature in a way you probably have not seen. Trust me on this one. Gas-powered leaf blowers, loud enough to wake the neighbors, heavy enough to remind you tomorrow, unreliable enough to fail on cleanup day. Real talk. This one made the cut for one reason. It fixed all 3 at once. Meet the Tietoc 1200-watt brushless cordless leaf blower. Brushless motor, quieter, longer lasting. 2 rechargeable batteries, 6 speed settings. Grab it, squeeze the trigger. Watch the yard clear at 6 speeds of your choice. This is what premium yard looks like on cleanup day. Quiet, cordless, dialed in. And your neighbors will actually still like you. Repotting on the driveway, soil everywhere, back aching by the 3rd pot. Then dragging the whole mess back to the shed. Yeah, every gardener has that memory. This one is a real serious gardener upgrade. Meet the Best Choice Products Mobile Garden Potting Bench, Sliding Worktop, 4 locking wheels, multi-tier storage shelves. Roll it out, lock the wheels. Load your pots, soil, and tools. Repot standing up without breaking your back. This turns gardening chore into gardening ritual. One purchase, the whole potting workflow just got professional. Your lawn keeps looking tired, brown patches, thin spots, water that just runs off instead of soaking in. That is compaction. Nobody tells you that until you fix it. Meet the Seeutek 23-inch rolling lawn aerator. 23-inch width covers ground fast. 3-position adjustable handle. Heavy-duty metal spikes. Push it, walk, repeat. The soil literally starts breathing again. Chemical treatments cost a fortune and mask the problem. This one solves it. That is why serious homeowners keep it in the shed. Prepping a vegetable bed by hand. Hours of digging, blisters, half a garden's worth of results. Or worse, giving up and just planting in what you have got. Meet the WORKPRO 12.5 amp electric tiller. 16-inch tilling width, 4-position adjustable wheels. Electric motor, no gas mixing, no oil changes. Plug it in, push forward, watch soil that wouldn't take a shovel turn into planting-ready bed in minutes. Gas tillers need constant maintenance. Electric ones don't. That is why the smart move for a home yard is electric, every time. That pile of branches from spring pruning, you either pay to haul it away, drag it to the curb weekly, or let it sit and rot into an eyesore. Real talk, this one flips the whole equation. Meet the WORKPRO 15 amp electric wood chipper shredder, 4,300 RPM. Dual blade system, 14:1 reduction ratio, wheeled for easy moving. Feed a branch in, watch it come out as mulch on the other side. Free mulch, free compost material, 0 hauling fees. Yard waste turned into yard input. That is how landscapers actually save money. Trying to garden while the kids are yelling for screen time, trying to explain what a tomato plant is without them tuning out. Every parent gardener knows the pull. This one fooled me at first, looked like a toy. Then I saw the details. Meet the VIVOHOME Kids Wheelbarrow Garden Tool Set. Real metal garden tools size for kids. Apron and gloves included. Mini wheelbarrow that actually rolls loads. Hand it to them. Point at the flower bed. Watch the iPad kid become the helping in the garden kid. Screen time down, real time up. One purchase, a whole afternoon changes. Setting up a canopy for a backyard party, you and one poor friend struggling for 20 minutes while the food gets cold. Or trying to hit the beach and blowing the first hour just wrestling with poles. Yeah, universal. This one is top shelf gear for a reason. Meet the Crown Shade's 10x10 pop-up canopy with patented CenterLok, UPF 50+ sun protection, waterproof 150D fabric, one-touch CenterLok, solo setup in seconds. Pull the CenterLok, extend the legs, done. Beach days, tailgates, backyard weddings, every event just got 20 minutes faster. This is the event-grade tier without the event-grade price tag. Here it is, the finale. Listen, I don't put stuff in the lineup unless it is worth your attention. This one is. Meet the IILIKEBIRD Bamboo Smart Bird Feeder. 4K camera, AI, identifies over 10,000 bird species in real time. Solar-powered with USB-C backup. Sustainable bamboo, body. Mounted on a tree or pole. Connect the app. Get a notification every time a new species lands, with the name already identified. This is not a bird feeder. It is a live nature documentary running in your backyard. Tech meets ecology. Ends the video the way premium yards actually feel: quiet, intelligent, alive. And that is the lineup. That is the 18, the ones that actually earn a spot in a premium backyard. Which one goes into yours first? Drop the number below. Hit subscribe for more finds Marcus digs up. Same time next week.